In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Shopify About Us page. An About Us page is one of the simplest pages to add to your Shopify store, and it gives customers a place to learn who you are and what your brand stands for. In this walkthrough, we will create the page itself inside Shopify. We will set the title, leave the content empty for now, and save it so it is ready to edit later, or connect to your store navigation. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. This is where you manage the parts of your storefront that customers see, including themes, navigation, and pages. Next, click Pages. The Pages section is used for standalone content pages, like About Us, Contact, FAQs, shipping policies, and other information that does not belong in a product description or collection page. Once you are on the Pages screen, look for the option to add a new page and select Add Page. This opens the page editor where you can set up the basic details. In the title field, type About Us. The title matters because it becomes the page name in your admin, and it is often used as the on-page heading customers see when they visit the page. Keeping it clear and standard helps visitors recognize it right away. For the content area, leave it blank. This is intentional. Saving an empty page now can be useful if you are still gathering your brand story, photos, or messaging. It also lets you create the page structure first, so you can link it in your navigation later, then come back and fill in the text when it is ready. When everything looks correct, click Save. After you save, Shopify creates the page and stores it in your pages list. At this point, your About Us page exists in your store, even though the content is empty. A quick tip is to double-check that the title is spelled correctly before you move on, since that keeps your pages organized and easy to find as your store grows. And that is all there is to it.